that option right now. But no problem. Yeah, you did it. You did it. It was
I
not done
did
by
it.
me. Yes,
Okay, all right.
you did it.
Rishant is recording the call. Yes, yes, yes,
Understand, no? So
yes.
now, again, I would like to start the basic information of grammatical structure when we start talking with each other. Here I told you that each sentence is one statement. That statement is given by anyone, and each sentence has a subject and a verb. The first part of the sentence is a subject, and subject means about whom or about what that is we are going to discuss. And apart from the subject, the rest of the sentence, the rest of the word means what we are going to speak something about. That is called predicate. So here subject and verb. Now, I asked you one question, that why we study about the tenses. Tell me, why do we study about tenses?
Uh, to
Yeah.
convey the things at like to convey the things in such a way that it should be understood like what exactly I am a tell. Like are the things happened in the past or they will happen in the future, or I am talking about the current things which are happening.
You are very close to the answer. Well, but why not? According to grammatical structure, if you find the answer, the definition, you can find that tenses are the study of the time of the action of the verb that is done by any subject. Tenses are the study of the forms of the verbs and the time of the action about any human being or an animal. So, for to explain this, I would like to tell you that I provided one example to you. Like he is reading a book. He was reading a book. So is or was, it's auxiliary. It's
Yes.
in Hindi we say sahayak kriya, helping verb. But the main verb is read. Okay, we have used here the present participle. The verbs have, all the verbs have the forms like verb first form. The second form is called past tense. Third form is called past participle. Fourth form can be spoken present participle like go, went, gone, going. Understand?
Yes.
So
Actually,
here,
I am able to recall those things, but like all the
no
things are
problem.
not very clear, to be very honest.
No problem. When we start studying now further, because this is the first session, you must know the basic, where we are going to stand. Once it is clear, everything is like in your hand. You can find almost all things easy to communicate, okay, like professional, like a teacher. And of course, you are a good teacher. You are going to explain to your students such a way that you need it, that you have expected you yourself. Okay, so subject and verb. So now I would like to ask you one question. I can drive a car. Do you think which tense is this?
I can.
I drive this
Yes.
car or a car.
I can drive a car, right? It's a future. I can. Or no, if it will be I will, then it will be future drive.
That's what
And
I'm
for
asking.
now,
Like
I
this.
can drive. I don't know.
Okay. Look how you are struggling. Means always you understood that all sentences are related to the tense. Tenses are only 12, and this is not a tense. I can drive. Here it is apart from that, that auxiliary that is called primary auxiliaries like am, is, are, was, were, that are used to form tenses, and they explain about the timing of the action. Like I am doing this one, am is here an auxiliary, primary auxiliary. Okay, apart, so primary auxiliaries. And suppose in Hindi मैं करता हूँ, I do. It's a present simple tense. मैं कर रहा हूँ. I'm doing. It's, tell me which tense? Present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense. Yes.
मैं
मैं
कर,
करूँगा.
नहीं, मैं कर चुका हूँ.
कर चुका
I'm
हूँ.
here only talking about present tense, and it has been divided four part, in four part. The first one is present simple. It's recorded, so you can also get this recording, and so that we have to discuss all the tenses as well as all the auxiliaries and all the verbs, and on the basis of that we have to communicate a lot of things. Okay, so first, present tense, present simple, that is also called present indefinite tense. So the example is present indefinite or present simple tense, where the example is I do, I play, I work. मैं खेलता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ, मैं जाता हूँ, मैं रोज ऑफिस जाता हूँ. This is present simple tense. But the second, present continuous or present progressive tense, I am going, मैं जा रहा हूँ. ओके, आई विल गो. यह फ्यूचर हो गया जिससे अभी आपने कहा, एंड यू इंक्लूडेड इन द प्रेजेंट. अभी हम लोग चार पार्ट की बातचीत करेंगे, जस्ट फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन एंड डिस्क्राइब ईच टेंस हियर, बट हियर आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू. द थर्ड वन इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, एंड द एग्जाम्पल इज आई हैव डन, मैंने कर दिया है. आई हैव प्लेड, मैंने खेला है. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड, मैं कर चुका हूँ, पूरा कर चुका हूँ. Present only. Then present perfect continuous, I have been doing this work since morning. She has been playing cricket or football for 2 hours. So this is present perfect continuous. So I have spoken four part. Then now we have to come on past. Past simple. One example, मैंने किया, I did. तुमने दिया, you give. Give or gave. उसने लिया, she too. Take and to. ओके, बताया, देखा, सीखा. पास्ट सिंपल. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस मीन्स शी वॉज गोइंग, आई वॉज लर्निंग, मैं सीख रहा था, तुम जा रहे थे. पास्ट परफेक्ट, मैंने देखा था, मैंने सीखा था, तुमने बताया था, यू हैड टोल्ड, दे हैड प्लेड. याद रखो विच I will explain, okay, in a session more than 2 and 3 tenses, so that you will have a complete idea.
So we are going to discuss this in detail in coming lectures, right?
Of course, that's why I'm just here going showing the roadmap.
Okay, all right,
Understand?
all right.
So
I
here
was
I
worried because like all the things are bombarding, so
no
like I
no
was
dear,
confused
no
ki
dear,
in one day.
no dear,
Okay, sir.
no dear. That's why I have to take more than 3 to 4 weeks minimum, because once you understood this one, everything is clear. Because this is recorded, that's why I'm speaking some fast, so that you will study. Whether you take 1 day or 2 days gap, I don't mind, because I know that I have to also train you. Okay, until you are prepared, then you should not ask me, sir, just because tomorrow you are free and you have to take. How it was very good that you told yesterday, sir, I was having some headache, so I'm not able to absorb. It was really very good decision. Okay, so let's come to the point. The second, past continuous. Then I will talk about past perfect tense. Past perfect means मैं कर चुका था, मैंने देखा था, I had done. और मैं कर रहा था बहुत दिनों से इस काम को, I had been doing this work for many days. वे लोग बहुत देर से मुझे घूर रहे थे. They had been staring at me for a long time. So four for the present, four tenses for the past. Now another four tenses, the sub tenses, I am going to explain in a brief. Future. Future simple. I will go, मैं जाऊंगा. She will come, वह आएगी. Future continuous tense. She will be going, वह जा रही होगी. दे विल बी स्टडिंग, वे पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे। आई बी वेटिंग फॉर यू, मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा होऊंगा।
Sir, but like this is not reflecting like we are talking about present. What's
No, I no, we're not talking about the present. It's a future right now. I'm explaining. I'm describing the tenses. Then again, I will take one tense, and then I'll go today itself. I'll show you how I'm taking one tense. Okay, only present, and I'll give you a lot of vocabulary, sentence structure. First, I will made you. I will just remind you. These are the things that we are going to study. The future tense, future simple, I'll go. Future continuous, I'll be going. I'll be waiting. And future perfect tense, मैं कर चुका हूँगा. I will have completed. So you have to learn these structures, and the future perfect continuous, that is not in use. Learn 12, not 11 tenses with their auxiliaries, and only primary auxiliaries are used. There are two different kinds of auxiliary. The first one is primary and the second one is modal. So here I told you that I can drive a car. This is not a tense. It's different structures. And how I told you this, each sentence structure has a subject and a verb. Here
action?
verb is there, I drive, but can is a modal auxiliary.
Oh,
You should walk in the morning. Should is a modal auxiliary. I must perform better than yesterday. Must is an auxiliary. So there are 14 model auxiliaries that you have to study. Once you, the last time when you came for my demo session, I explained about I could have done it. Remember, मैं कर सकता था. So can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, must, used to, ought to, dare, and need, have to. You have to
so
study.
these are modern auxiliaries.
Everything is written form. I'm here just explaining. I will provide you your notes. Don't worry, because this is recorded, so you can also follow all the videos. Because
And when
we,
we have to use modern auxiliary, sorry to cut you in between. Sorry,
why not? Why
please.
not, dear? Ask me. This is the two-way interaction. Tell me. Your question is
Like where we should use modern auxiliary?
MODAL. L for
Model.
London.
Okay. Model auxiliary.
Model auxiliary. When you have to say some extra thing, extra information in your sentence, like I get up every day in the morning at 7 o'clock. It's a general information about you, about me. But when I say, यार, I have to get up, मुझे उठना पड़ता है, means I have obligation behind it.
Obligation. Yeah.
I have to wear a tie. It's necessity or it's a responsibility. I have to cook food. It's compulsion. Means
Hmm.
extra information. Model auxiliaries means when you have to talk about your mood, the feeling. When you have to talk about your feeling, they say, I can perform better than you. Ability, like sometimes respect, suggestion. Apart from the time and tenses, you need to study here the use of can, could, shall, should, may, might, must. जैसे मेरे पापा गांव पहुंच चुके होंगे, आपने एक इमेजिनेशन किया. इमेजिनेशन, स्पेकुलेशन के लिए हम मे और माइट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसे बरसात होगी, शायद बरसात होगी. इट मे रेन, शायद ही बरसात होगी आज. इट माइट रेन टुडे. Again, I will explain in details. You don't have to worry about it. Here I am explaining, I am making intro so that you will understand what is your roadmap. Because how, like public speaking, you are well aware. I'll provide the course materials, and one fine day I will ask you to now perform this public speaking. I'll provide you one topic and one situation. You will do within 2 days, 2 sessions. Presentation, I will ask you now, this is your stock new plan, that is you are going to introduce 20 minutes elevator speech I have to provide, and now you have to segregate, you have to divide all your talk into the different points, and you have to make a good presentation. You will learn it within 2 sessions. because already you know it. Then interview question and answer, I will provide it. Then some of the words, they are always mispronounced. I will provide those complete uh, course material. You will understand, and I'll one day I'll practice with you. One day I'll also practice with you like a lot of vocabulary, like how I have given you already the notes, and I'll provide you one topic to speak. Then that is called extempore speeches. Then again, we have to also discuss while learning the tenses. I'll ask you some of the discussion,
Mm-hmm.
different discussion. So today I'll start with one tense, present simple. So far, whatever, because half of the session, almost we have finished half an hour. So I have to ask you, what did you understand? Tell me.
Uh,
What
till
are like,
now, we till now we have gone through the roadmap, like what exactly I should be going in the next coming days, and in that we have discussed like there are 12 tenses in which like the future perfect tense we don't use it. That's the reason we only have 11 tenses, and in that we have to study more in detail how to implement it and in what in what way we can use it more efficiently. Along with that, like they are uh, present present simple, present continuous, present perfect. I guess one is missing in
present
that.
perfect continuous?
Present perfect continuous. Same for your past and future. Just we
Hmm.
don't use future perfect tense.
Perfect continuous tense.
Okay,
Future
future perfect
perfect
continuous.
continuous.
Okay.
So like four tenses for each, four sub tenses for present, past and future. So even each sentence has a subject and verb.
Yeah.
It is also clear.
Yes.
There are different kind of sentences, you know. Sentence, affirmative sentence, positive sentence, you can say. Suppose I'll take one example, because you know, can't, or can't, or can. You can drive car. Okay, this is the question. This is one format. This is called affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Understand?
Yes.
The second will be, if suppose again I have to, the second will be negative. Okay, we have to also discuss about negative form, and you have to just put here not. Okay, now the third format that for spoken English that we have to learn, can you drive car? The question will be means here, you know that why this one is used. This is called modal auxiliaries, and auxiliaries, they are used to form question as well as negative statement. If we don't have this can, we cannot use, you know, here you cannot make a question.
Hmm.
Like same thing happens with the am is are, like she is studying, is she studying? If we have to use that is before the subject. Okay, now this is, you can say can you drive car, you can say can't you drive car.
Negative.
Okay, then fifth,
Mhm.
that is mostly in used, like how can you drive car, or why can't, why can, क्यों कर सकते हो, या better here, how can, how can you, okay, how can you drive car, the fifth. And then if I ask you, if you know sir I can't, I can ask you why can't you drive car. So these are the six different format that you have to learn and all the time, and already you use it in your communication. But I'll take you to explain this one. So this is, apart from this, exclamatory sentences are there. You know, like exclamation, like
Yes,
wow,
I know.
oh, what a pity, hooray, we won the match. And one more, that is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence where you don't have to use the subject And how I told you in my statement, there is no existence of any sentence if we don't use subject. But here in imperative sentences, we don't have to use subject because subject is understood. They are a command, they are instruction. Like go there, you are saying you go there. Sit here. Okay? Open the book.
Yes.
So these are like what you are a teacher. If you are an officer, you have to command to your junior. And then that time you don't have to use the subject because subject is understood. Now I will tell you how the subject is considered. Ready?
Yes,
Subject.
sir.
What is subject? Do you know? In sentence.
Main body which describe that particular situation, or maybe something like that.
Subject like who delivered the statement. How I told you that mean. Subject like we. Subject when a communication is going on between you and me. So the first person and the second person. I'm speaking about, like suppose my name is Arman Verma. I work, I teach. But I'm saying this thing to you. I'm talking to you. That's why I'm saying my name is Arman Verma. Okay, I teach. This statement I must be sharing to someone. That's why my sentence is one statement. If I'm sharing you, so I'm indicating you. If you are single, you are single. If I'm indicating only you, so you are the second person but singular number. I am first person but singular number. If I speak that I also teach with my some teachers, we we work here, we come here every day. Which I'm not speaking about me, I, but when I speak we becomes plural. But still communication is going on between you and me. I always first person, you always second person, and हम दोनों मिलकर जिसके बारे में बातचीत करें. जैसे मैं बोलूँ, मैं अपने फादर के बारे में बताता हूँ कि ही पास्ट अवे, तो ही अकेले हैं तो सिंगुलर, और वो थर्ड पर्सन हो गया. यानी कि हम दोनों मिलकर जिसके बारे में तीसरे के बारे में बातचीत करें, तीसरा आदमी, ही और शी और इट, third person but singular. But if they are in more quantity, we say those
They.
teachers, they, those, these are excellent. So this is everything is in written form. I will provide you right now, don't worry. But let me explain, because we don't need right now any this one.
Yes, sir.
So subject, I or you, always first person, I, second person you, third person she, he, singular, I, plural we, you, plural you all, he or she, plural they. Now, so what do you know about present simple? Can you speak? मेरी मम्मी खाना नहीं पकाती हैं, इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे आप?
uh, my mom don't cook the food.
अब यहाँ पे गलत हो गया. यहाँ पे डोंट नहीं लगाएंगे, यहाँ पे डज नॉट लगाएंगे.
Okay.
अब मैं आपको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. ओके, बिगिन. I'll begin the show right now, and here for that I have provided some pages to you. Okay, so I have to provide some pages, and as well as you see what it is. ये क्या लिखा है? What is? We read a lot.
We read a lot.
Means here, if we see the pictures, what we say? Speak this
They,
sentence.
yeah, they are looking at their books.
Okay, means what? They read a lot.
They read a lot.
Okay, what is this now? Where my cursor is?
I like ice cream.
What we are talking about? मैं आपसे क्या बातचीत कर रहा हूँ? If we
He
see
is
the
eating an ice cream.
means he.
He like ice cream.
तो देखो ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है, मतलब जो चीज़ें पसंद है, मैं जाता हूँ, करता हूँ, हिंदी में समझ लो, आखिरी में आता हूँ, करता हूँ, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस का उसमें हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. देन वी हैव टू यूज ओनली फर्स्ट फॉर्म, जैसे रीड, दे के साथ रीड, लेकिन ही के साथ हम लगाते हैं लाइक्स. देखो माई मदर कुक्स हो जाएगा. मैं आपसे सेंटेंसेस पूछता हूँ कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे पढ़ाती हैं, बोलिए.
My mom teaches me.
मैं पढ़ाता हूँ.
I teach.
मेरा बॉस नहीं पढ़ाता है.
My boss didn't teach me or did not teach me.
डेंट नहीं होगा, डज नॉट होगा। अब
क्या
आपको
होगा?
ये डज नॉट,
Does not. Does not.
देखो यहाँ पे ही और शी के साथ हम लगाते हैं डज, ठीक है। अब थोड़ा सा पहले पूरा पढ़ते हैं आपको। सी दिस इज रोड मैप एंड चार्ट। आई के साथ हम लगाते हैं डू नॉट, वी के साथ डू नॉट, यू के साथ डू नॉट, टी के साथ, बट ही, माई मदर या फिर माई सिस्टर को हम बोलेंगे शी के साथ डज नॉट। तो कुछ प्रैक्टिस में कराता हूँ। मेरी बहन चेस नहीं खेलती है, बोलिए।
आपका आवाज नहीं आया सर।
मेरी बहन चेस नहीं खेलती है।
My sister uh, does not play chess.
मेरा भाई स्कूल नहीं जाता है।
My brother do not go to school.
डू नहीं लगाएंगे डियर, डज
Does not
लगाएंगे।
go. Does not go to school.
नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड ना हाउ द करेक्शन इज डूइंग।
I feel. हाँ.
गौर से एक बार देख लीजिए, थोड़ा सा टाइम ले लीजिए, 30 सेकेंड, टेक 30 सेकेंड टू 1 मिनट टू थिंक अबाउट इट।
Sir, done.
डन नो, इट इज ओके। नाउ वी हैव टू से दैट मेरे पापा रात में काम नहीं करते हैं।
My dad does not works at night.
मैं दिन में काम करता हूँ।
I works. Uh, I do
आई,
work at daytime.
ठीक, आई वर्क, ठीक है।
I work.
हाँ, तुम झूठ नहीं बोलते हो।
I don't speak lie.
यू डोंट लाई, तुम यानी
I
कि यू।
don't lie. I don't lie.
हम लोग टेलीविजन नहीं देखते हैं।
We don't watch television.
यस। अब देखो ये सेंटेंस पढ़ डालिए, पढ़, यू रीड दिस
I
सेंटेंस।
drink coffee. Yeah, I drink coffee, but I don't drink tea.
लोग आई के साथ ड्रिंक लगाएंगे, बट जब नेगेटिव में आई डोंट ड्रिंक, इज इट ओके। नाउ सो दिस सेंटेंस,
She drink tea, but she doesn't drink coffee.
सपोज लाइक इन द प्लेस ऑफ शू यू कैन से माई मदर ड्रिंक्स टी बट शी डजेंट ड्रिंक कॉफी। सिंपल है ना। माई फादर ड्रिंक्स टी, माई सिस्टर, माई फादर, और एनी नेम लाइक समीर, आप किसी का नाम लीजिए, राहुल ड्रिंक्स टी बट ही डजेंट ड्रिंक कॉफी।
Coffee.
अंडरस्टैंड नो। नाउ रीड दिस सेंटेंस,
We don't work very hard.
दिस वन,
We don't catch. Sorry, we don't watch television very often.
द नेक्स्ट वन,
The weather is usually nice. It doesn't rain very often.
मीन्स अंडरस्टैंड नो, इट डजेंट रेन, लाइक इट के साथ हम लगाते हैं। जैसे आपको बोलना हो यार ऐसा मुंबई में नहीं होता है, तो कैसे बोलेंगे।
ऐसा मुंबई में नहीं होता. This thing doesn't happen in Mumbai.
इट डजेंट हैपन इन मुंबई।
It doesn't happen in Mumbai.
वो उसमें सुना है ना गाना, इट डजेंट हैपन, इट हैपेंस ओनली इन इंडिया। ऐसा सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में होता है।
It
बोलिए।
ऐसा सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में होता है.
हाँ जी।
It only happens in India.
इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं होता है।
It doesn't happen in India.
जून के महीने में बहुत जबरदस्त बरसात होती है मुंबई में।
In June, it heavily rains in Mumbai.
ना, इट रेन्स, इट रेन्स। देखो रेन ऑलरेडी एक वर्ब है ना, तो वर्ब में हम एस
हाँ.
लगाएंगे। इट रेन्स, इट रेन्स। अब बहुत भयंकर बरसात होती है तो हैविली। अब दूसरा वर्ड आप इस्तेमाल करें, कैट्स एंड डॉग्स। इट रेन्स
हाँ.
कैट्स एंड डॉग्स,
Cats and dogs and
या इट रेन्स टोरेंशियल,
torrential.
टोरेंशियल, TORR,
Torrential. हाँ हाँ torrential. Okay.
इट रेन्स टोरेंशियल। लेकिन जून के महीने में उत्तर भारत में बरसात नहीं होती है।
Uttar means north.
नॉर्थ इंडिया।
हाँ. Uh, It doesn't rain. Sorry, in June it doesn't rain in the northern part of India.
Okay, look, when you make a sentence now in English, why not starting with subject? आप in June को बाद में बोलो. Try to speak in June, in the month of June, in South India or North India. These are other words. But in English, mostly we follow first subject and verb. And then we put other sentences, other
Alright.
words. Understand, no? So you can start, भले मैंने start हिंदी से किया, यार जून के महीने में बरसात नहीं होती है. ओके कहाँ नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो आप जून के महीने से स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे इट डजंट अब यहाँ
Doesn't
इट
really.
डजंट रेन रेनिंग नहीं इट डजंट रेन
It doesn't rain.
यस बोलिए ट्राई कीजिए
It doesn't rain in northern part of India in June. It doesn't rain uh, in the northern part of I'm
हाँ इट डजंट रेन इन नॉर्थ इंडिया इन द मंथ ऑफ जून सिंपल फिर से बोलिए स्पीक इट वंस अगेन
it doesn't rain in the month of sorry.
इन द मंथ ऑफ जून इन नॉर्थ इंडिया
It doesn't rain in the month of June in North India.
दैट्स ग्रेट ओके नाउ इट डजंट रेन आई विल से मेनी सेंटेंसेस विद इट ऐसा लगता है कैसे बोलेंगे
It feels like.
बट इट सीम्स मतलब ऐसा लगता है ऐसा नहीं लगता है
It doesn't seems like.
लाइक की जरूरत नहीं है नो नीड सीम्स
It
मतलब ही
doesn't
लगना
seem. हाँ.
है ना इट सीम्स ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत ही गरीब है बोलिए
It seems to be very like he is very poor.
यस दैट इज ओके ओके नाउ इफ यू हैव टू स्पीक समथिंग कि सिर्फ 5 मिनट लगते हैं मुझे तैयार होने में
I take only few. I take less than 5 minutes to get ready.
इट टेक्स
It
ओनली 5 minutes इट टेक्स ओनली 5 minutes फॉर मी टू गेट रेडी बोलिए
it takes only 5 minutes for me to get ready.
यस 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं खाना पकाने में मुझे
It takes 2 hours for me to cook food.
यस आधे घंटे लगते हैं मुझे स्टेशन पहुंचने में
It takes only 30 minutes to reach to the
Understand, no?
station.
It
Yes.
takes, it happens, it seems. Okay, it rains. There are a lot of sentences can be formed. It rains and it doesn't. यार आधे घंटे तो नहीं लगते हैं कैसे बोलेंगे आधे घंटे नहीं लगते
It doesn't take.
यस हाफ एन
uh,
आवर
It doesn't take half an hour.
चलिए अब ये सेंटेंस को ट्राई टू स्पीक इट आई डोंट लाइक स्पीक
I
इट
don't like Fred and Fred doesn't like me.
I don't like Fred and Fred doesn't like me means I के साथ don't but third person है ना Fred उनके साथ doesn't like me देखो यहाँ लिखा है Fred don't like ही गलत है now the next
My car doesn't use much petrol.
okay means my car के साथ don't कभी नहीं लगाएंगे understand no sometimes
Can you please tell this? Like my car don't use why it is not proper.
means we don't use this word my car don't use you have to speak my car doesn't use this one understand because this is third person no
हाँ.
दो लोग तीसरे के मेरी कार के बारे में बातचीत कर रहे हैं now
Alright.
this is what
Sometimes he is late, but it doesn't happen very often.
okay now use don't and doesn't plus infinitive like don't like doesn't speak understand no
हाँ.
जब like आ जाएगा ना उसके बाद वर्ब का ing फॉर्म लगाते हैं जैसे आई डोंट लाइक वॉचिंग टीवी आई डोंट लाइक गोइंग शॉपिंग ठीक है
Yes.
now you have to read it now I'll give you 2 minutes first consider this one and then again I'll train you the use of do and does देखो do कहाँ लगाते हैं does कहाँ लगाते हैं ठीक है already you have got this in your chat box see first या आप इसे जूम करके देख सकते हो now I will ask you some question do and does से okay take 2 minutes. Consider what is this all about. Okay, the time starts now for 2 minutes to think about it. कुछ हुआ तुम लोगों का? 10 मिनट और है मेरा। दस मिनट ब्रेक, 2 मिनट का ब्रेक। अब एक साथ 15 मिनट, 10 मिनट और है तो फिर एक कॉल आया। मतलब कंटिन्यू जब तक आए तब से डेमो और ये सब चल रहे हैं ना, कंटिन्यू बोलने का तो फिर एप्पल खा लेंगे तो एक चार्ज हो जाएगा। नहीं, खत्म ही कर देता हूँ इसको ताकि रिलैक्स हो। चलो क्या बॉडी कर दी एनर्जी, एनर्जी भी छोड़ दो तो तुम्हें दो दिन एनर्जी आ गया तो so ready?
Yes, sir.
Look, if I ask you, uh, do you drive car?
So I have to answer that particular question. Like, yes.
Yeah, you say yes, sir. I drive car.
Yes, sir, I drive car.
Why do you drive car? Tell me the reason.
Because when
Because
I need to move from one location to another location, that's the most convenient mode of transport, and it's on all your wheel, like wherever you wanna go as per your time.
yeah, do you walk in the morning?
Yes, sir.
Why do you walk in the morning?
To keep myself fit and perfect in a shape,
And
and to also like breathe the freshness in the morning.
and
And
because walking is a good exercise. In the morning, I get fresh air. The air is free from the dust and smoke. I always have my good blood circulation when I walk in the morning. It is a very healthy activities. I have got my good digestion. A lot of things. When I provide a topic, no, try to speak as much as if I have not limited you in the time. Think and speak. This is the way, the very first day, the first, the step that you have taken. Okay. Do you smoke?
no,
Say, no, sir, I don't smoke.
no, sir, I don't smoke.
Why don't you smoke?
Because it is not healthy, and like even though I have friends in my circle who smoke, but I don't really feel doing that thing. So that's
Why?
the reason, and I hate the smell because like it is injurious to our lungs, and in a longer term when I see myself smoking, and if I start smoking, definitely it has some bad impacts on the future. So that's the reason, like if I avoid doing all those harmful things in present, definitely my future is bright.
Okay, what do you think that smoking should be banned at public places?
Yes, it definitely should be banned at public places because even if a person is smoking, but as he excels, he is also polluting the nearby environment, and which in terms result like when other people are surrounded to him, they also inhale the oxygen and the what can we say, all the harmful gases which he exhales mixes with the atmosphere, and which results to the intake of normal people. So even if they are not smoking, they are kind of partly doing that thing. So definitely it should be avoided, like smoking should be
Yeah,
avoided in public places.
that's great. They are known as a passive smoker or active smoker. And you should
Yes.
not limit yourself like he. Okay? Because
Hey.
even there are many women, they also smoke. So the people who smoke at public places, I believe that they should be banned. Because when human being, now you have to change the second time, not people, when masses, when individual, when a person smokes, when you say about a person, means a man and women both are there. Okay, next time you should not speak on the gender base, and this is a proverb like practice makes a man perfect. Now you should change it. People, the women, they mind it.
Yes.
Understand? No, nowadays
Yes.
the things and era has been changed. Everybody is working together. You can't say the
Yes.
women. So like this, even we believe in that. Okay, so that's why I told when he smokes, why he smokes. Nowadays even there are many female, they also smoke.
Yes.
But the question is if this should be banned at public places. So what are the public places, can you tell me?
Public places in the sense railway stations, or during the public transport, or some nature area, consider the marine lines, or any gardens, anywhere, any location where peoples are a lot in number, and they are that particular way is their daily routine in which they travel, maybe that way is known as public.
Okay, great. You can understand yourself that you are today you have been speaking a lot of sentences. Okay, now I will tell you that what to do for your homework. I have given here some routines. See, what is your daily routine? If I ask you, tell me about your daily routine, so a lot of sentences can be taken from here. Well, like during the week, I usually wake up at 6:30. I sometimes lie in bed for 5 minutes. Like lie in bed. These are the collocation, the word, the phrases. You know that most evening I go to bed at about 11:30 p.m. I am usually very tired. I go to sleep. I fall asleep very quickly. Occasionally, look the word. This is called signpost. You should not speak like or such as. Occasionally, fortunately, usually. I can't get to sleep. Okay, like whenever it means you fall on the bed, you can't sleep at very soon. Understand, no? So what that happens, I sometimes manage though. Okay, I manage to fall asleep around 3 a.m. Then I oversleep, sleep too long in the morning if I have a late night. So these are the things I would ask you. These are some certain vocabulary only about the sleep. Early night, like I have a nap, a short sleep. Then again, then you have to work on your breakfast, like your food. Sometimes in the week, I have breakfast at 7:30, lunch, snacks. As I live alone, so this is the way that you can begin with, and then keeping clean that you take bath, wash your hairs. I have a shave. Then working, like in the morning, I leave home at 8:15. Okay. Then again in the evening, like I have rest. I have friends for dinner. Just come around, play cards, housework. So I do the shopping. Fortunately, luckily, buy the food. I have a cleaner. So I am here. I'm giving you one topic to speak about how to spend your daily routine, as well as the next time I'll ask you. Half of the part, half session I'll conduct. I'll ask. I'll ask you many questions like how do you celebrate your birthday? How do you spend your day? When you have to speak all the time, you have to speak about the verb first form. I I celebrate my birthday on 22nd of November every year. On this day, I wake up very early. After that, I check my messages on mobile. I reply them. Sometimes I'm surprised to have a beautiful gift near my pillow because my parents always surprise me. I rush to their rooms. I meet with them. I take their blessing. I touch their feet. They love me. A lot of sentences can be spoken. Means you have to elaborate. You should be elaborating with using of your actions. What happens after that, and then you have to also use the words like after that, then after, soon after, then. Okay. So now this is any question for today. Tell me because I have given a lot of things. This is you have to study a lot. You have to change your grammatical errors. Understand, no? Grammar
Yes,
and
sir.
some vocabulary that this is whatever, because in the beginning I have given very simple vocabulary, and like the use of the words as a verb, main verb, like C-O-M-E, come, G-O. Go has two letters. Come has four letters. So why not you using right more than 10 letters word? Like I organize a meeting every evening at my home on Sundays. Some of my colleagues they participate. So sometimes you have to use the words, try to use some uncommon word which is not being used commonly in your statement. Try to find out the list of the main word. It's in the beginning first you. They already I have provided a lot of vocabulary. But first when I say verb, so try to see the list of the verb which can be used to speak about your actions.
Okay,
So
sir.
So next session, I'll begin, I'll carry it forward. The first half, I'll ask you many questions. Tell me, a certain question will be also, like how do you celebrate your festivals? And one thing that you'll start from today itself, you have to take one homework, write down a rainy season,
Sorry, rainy season. Okay.
okay? And winter season. Let me see how you write it.
All right, sir.
Write a minimum 300 paragraph, 300 words, minimum
300
300
words.
words. Minimum four paragraphs, more than that.
All right, sir.
First one is intro, second one is body paragraph, third one is again body, fourth one is body paragraph, but last one is conclusion. So that for that you can go with the Google search. Try to see different kind of the articles about this one, and make your own that you can speak it.
All right, sir.
Understand? So
Yes,
this
sir.
will why I have given this one because this will be in present simple tense. Meanwhile, I'll explain present simple. You have to also learn. You can see how it runs. Runs means why it is the use of the word. Why you are using like this. It doesn't happen all the time. People wait for their turn. A lot of things. You can know yourself. Oh, these are the words that already self-taught, and then you can realize, oh, I'm learning this one. The grammar is also behind it, and while reading you can develop your reading practice. You will get to know the different vocabulary that is already hidden on internet. Many articles they will provide you. Understand? And then I'll
Yes,
ask
sir.
you to speak it. So when it
Yes, sir.
is completed, then you ask me for your next session on Monday or Tuesday. It is up to you.
All right, sir. All right,
It's
sir.
your
I
first
will do
it's your
that.
first it's your first session. Try to see the video. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
All right.
let's hope the next many more we like sessions that will be so fruitful. Okay.
Yes, sir. For sure.
So
Thank you,
Nishant,
sir.
I'm expecting you to. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great time ahead. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Good night.